While some of the aspects of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, still seem like cutting-edge technology found only in the world's most advanced vehicles, the truth is that some of these systems have been around for decades, giving the promise of safer driving experiences to drivers all over the world. Unfortunately, even though modern vehicles are equipped with increasingly advanced electronic safety systems, traffic fatalities have been on the rise since 2014. And while distracted driving may be a factor, we know that electronic safety systems are not able to offer the benefits they're capable of when vehicles are not maintained. The performance of electronic safety systems is dependent on more components than you may realize. ABS wheel speed sensors and steering angle sensors provide real-time data that electronic safety systems depend on. ADAS-related components like these from Standard are precision engineered and manufactured, and they're also tested on real vehicles to ensure that they integrate seamlessly with the complex safety systems found in today's modern cars. Standard's collision repair program includes more than 8,000 of the hard-to-find yet easily damaged parts that collision shops and repair facilities are looking for, including more than 900 ADAS-related components, such as park assist cameras, lane departure system cameras, and advanced sensors like blind spot detection sensors, cruise control, distance sensors, and park assist and steering angle sensors. It's the correct integration to the vehicle system that's so critical. So be sure your customers and your technicians understand programming and calibration requirements. For example, components like lane departure system cameras will generally require calibration after an installation, but some components, such as park assist sensors, can just be installed on many vehicles without any programming necessary. So if an ADAS component doesn't seem to work correctly initially, it's unlikely it's a bad part. If you don't perform the necessary calibration, the part isn't defective, the installation was just never correctly completed. Before replacing any ADAS component, it's important to refer to specific service information for the procedures required for that component. And before installing any replacement part after a collision, make certain that the mounting surface is true to the original location. To ensure a complete and timely collision repair, Standard offers a wide range of award-winning in-person, live, virtual, and online learning classes to better educate technicians. You can do the work for your customers with the right parts and training from Standard. For more information, visit standardbrand.com. Thanks for watching.